As a disclaimer, the information in this video has been compiled over months of trying different recipes for ramen eggs, scotch eggs, etc. We researched various recipes and eventually found what worked for us. Let's make soft-boiled eggs. Put some water in a pan, add a 1/4 cup of vinegar, and about a tablespoon of kosher salt. This will help later when you peel the eggs. When your water is a rolling boil, you'll want to add the eggs in. But make sure you start your 6.5 minute timer with the first egg. After the eggs are cooked, you'll want to put them in a water bath for about 8 minutes. Peel your eggs. They should come out very clean, thanks to the vinegar and salt. Soft-boiled eggs are not hard to make, and they go great in other recipes, whether they be scotch eggs or marinated eggs for ramen, or just enjoy them as is. Thank you again for stopping by Trial and Error Kitchen, and we will see you in the next one.